All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put together this 8-pair shoe thing. So far what we've done is screwed a couple screws in. We got it all laid out here. Now we're gonna grab some other pieces. This is Quinn's hand. He will only allow me to videotape his hand.
You don't have rights to use any.
We're putting screws in because I think he's screwed. Twist it. Uh-oh, you're in trouble. Somebody just called you. All right, as you can see, it's pretty simple. This is a press wood type situation here. Do not let it get wet. Notice he's got the flashing light. Very sexy drill. So far, so good. Now let's take a look at the erections over here. Oh, no, I mean over here. All right, now we got to put the slats in or the top on. I'm not sure. One or the other. We'll find out in a second. Yep, that's the top. It goes that way with the inside part there. You can see there's some things on there that need to be screwed in. I'm gonna put one up there. And we're gonna put one right there. We're gonna twist it. We're gonna bend it like it's Beckham. Nicely played. And then we gotta do a couple over there. Let's grab a couple more over here. What's in here, vodka?
Yeah.
We usually like to have a couple cocktails while we're working. Because, you know, it is 11 o'clock in the morning. So if you don't start drinking in the morning, you can't really drink all day. Here he goes. Zippity-doo-dah. Ooh, penetrated. Nicely done.
Wow.
Deeply done. All right, what about these four? Or two?
You gotta edit this thing, I guess.
Let me just say there's three types of people in the world. Those that can do math and those that can't. All right, let's get the slats in. Slatty.
I'm allergic to peanuts, so keep those.
Peanuts? Penis nuts?
The comic strip, not the. No.
This is what I think it's going to look like when it's done. This is called an 8-pair shoe organizer. And I think you put shoes in it. I'm not sure. Let's look at the directions. Oh, look, there's a bird over there. What's he doing? Hey, what's the next move here? Kimo's slobby. Oh, you got to put the center thing in and then slide those on. You know, I like to try to do it without directions. It's kind of like a puzzle that way. Yeah, that looks good. I don't know if that's going to work. All right, here he goes. He's slipping it in again. Very sneaky. Deep, deep. Here comes another slide. Deep. Push it in harder. Oh, that's good. One more. Yeah. Oh, God. Almost there. So close. Ooh, that's a tight squeeze. I'll help. Put my hand here, keep it from moving backwards. All right, and that's it. And then you just got to put that part on. Oh, that part goes on. This is just a piece of cardboard. That doesn't go anywhere. And I think he's got to go to the back of this thing. Ooh, let's take a look. Okay, so that goes like that.
This has to go first.
Oh, you got to do it
in the other direction.
You sure?
Yeah, because the slot stops.
The slut stops? Oh, I see what you're saying. See right there? See how the slot stops? So you can't get it in the back. You got to get it in the front. Or is this the back, Quinn?
This is the back, so everything has to slide in together in the back.
Oh, so the front is going to be all white. Oh, I see. Do you want me to help? I can reach in and try to help it a little bit. All right, so we got to go down here. This one you got to pull back a little bit because it's a little tight. Get that first.
The middle, down here, in the bottom middle.
Yeah, you're in. This one's almost in. That one's in. That one's in. We got to pull it this way. Shoot, I got a hold of it. Very slowly. Bam, look at that. Now we got an 8-pair shoe organizer. This is what it looks like from up top. And what's that do? Oh, I see. Let's see what's going on here.
When it's hot, you just do that.
Oh, gotta cool yourself off. Bam. And I guess you got little tacks down there you're gonna put on there. And that's your box.
What are those for?
I don't know.
Oh, that's to stack them.
So these things, oh, what about these little tacks?
Yeah, all these, put these all up here.
So we need to put all those up there.
So when I hammer them in, they bounce off the
Yeah. We almost got them all. That's it. I don't know if you need them all, do you?
No.
You just need a couple.
Oh, the shoes.
You can't really put them in the middle. You have to put them on the outside, right? You need a tack hammer. Do you have enough? Here he goes. The first nail's going in. Don't hit your thumb. I got a tap hammer back there for doing upholstery.
That's all I need.
Nice. So we do 4 corners. This is the established procedure. Nicely played. This thing's heavy too, I bet. How's she gonna get it out of her car?
I think she's just gonna back up and let it come out.
You mean like go really fast backwards and slam on the brakes with the
Yeah.
tailgate open? That's a good way to get it out.
Or you just put the shoes in the car.
Oh, just leave it in the car. Smart. Efficient. Yeah, it looks good. Nicely played. So don't use needle nose pliers because it's funnier. Could you just hit your thumb really quick just for dramatic
Yeah.
license? What we need is like a ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. We got one out there. Let's look at your master penis. Wow, that's freaking nice. Will those fall out though? How do we keep them in? Like if you lean forward, will they slide out?
Remember the slots stop there.
Oh, that's right. It went in backwards.
Yeah.
Oh, you're smart.
Some nice finish work here on this.
What do you think? That looks good right from China. Huh?
Yeah.
Is this an Akita or? All right, we successfully completed a shoebox, and you can too. If you like this video, this is Quinn's phone number. 678-531-0. Apparently these don't stay in. What is that? It's supposed to just go in there. What about the bottom? Oh, you got to put a plug in there. And there's another plug on the other side. Apparently we weren't done.
That's if you're going to join them to other units.
Oh, I see. So you can put a little thing in there.
Use the dowel.
Just in case you guys need the directions, they're there. And then they gave you a shoot load of those. And we got a couple screws left. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other crazy videos where we do stuff that we've never done before, but we do it anyway. Peace.